channel. Hope you all are doing good, and of course you guys are not going out in lockdown. So after these many days of lockdown, I know you must be feeling what to eat, what to make. It's like the same old stuff, and things are also not available that much. So today I have come here with a very simple snacks recipe which would be loved by everyone. And for that reason, you actually need almost nothing. The requirements are very basic. Come, let's see. So, for Maggi omelette, what we need? Maggi, 2 eggs, some oil, salt, chilies and chopped onion, chopped capsicum. If you want, you can add some more vegetables of your choice as well. So, let's start the menu. Let's pour some water, because the first thing we need is we have to boil the Maggi. So, we'll cover it so that it will get boiled soon. Meanwhile, we'll cut the Maggi packets. Keep this aside. Just break it inside. Now, I'm gonna pour it here. Let's cover it so that it will boil first. We'll do these things. 1 egg. Second egg. Give it a nice mix. So the Maggi is boiled now. We have to take out only the Maggi and have to strain the water. I have strained the Maggi. Now it's going inside the egg mixture. Now we have to add the Maggi masala mix. Cool. Let's give it a nice mix. Now let's make the Maggi omelette. Time to add some oil. Make sure you spread it across the pan. Give it a nice spread and make the flame very low. Once this is done, we will cover it for some time. After 5 to 7 minutes, see, you can understand from the back it's cooked. So it's time to flip it. Wow! Isn't it looking yummy? This time you can either cover it or just keep it like this. Maggi omelette is ready. So let's do a pizza cut. Actually, in this dish, if you wish, you can add cheese as well. Now, time for plating. Hot Maggi omelette is served. I can't wait more. I have to eat. My mouth has become watery. Let's taste it. I must say, it's a very easy and quick recipe. Cool. Please try this recipe in this lockdown and let me know how it is. Well, for more videos on cooking, travel and food, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay tuned.